You was just on the tree, man. Did the cat chase you up the tree? Huh? You're in the sunshine, so you're brave again. I'm trying to figure out what happened. You gonna come tell me about it? Hello, Julio. You want something to eat? Oh, you get carried away. Let me hand it to you peacefully. Here. It's a pecan. Let's see if he's gonna do his rudeness or is he gonna eat? Okay. Oh, he's getting into it. He's been back and forth to the door at least 6 times today. Yeah, I was talking about you, Mr. Julio. He dismantling that sucker. Peeling it. You know how hard one of these pecan nuts are? I was wondering when you was gonna show off. I always tend to give them nuts with the shell on them. But look at it. Now, he got the napkin on his neck and it's whatever he wants to do. Barbecue it. He dropped a big chunk in his lap, but he ain't going nowhere. Right now, even if I tried to feed him a brand new one, he'd ignore it. He does not care. He's not gonna make any changes of plan until he finishes what he's eating right there.